You will agree with me that the reason why some persons are content creators today is so as to make money, so as to become influencers and talk about people's brand, so that they can sign endorsement, so that they can sign deal, so that they can collaborate with companies in order to make money. So if you don't know, an influencer is a person who talk about brand, who advertise brands, who promote companies to their community or audience in order to create awareness for that brand's product or that company. A company reached out to you and they tell you, we want to market this very product or we want to do an unboxing. The company, they will reach out to influencers. Once they reach out to you, your duty is to create content to talk about them. Influencers are hot cake right now when it comes to content creation industry. And before you can start making money as an influencer, there are some rudiments, there are some things you need to know as an influencer. You need to know the type of influencer so that you know where you're falling. So that when a company reaches out to you, you know what they want. Hi, this is Influencer Kenny. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, do me a favor, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss out from my next video. Influencers, as we all know, are hot cake in the content creation industry. But when it comes to influencing and how to make money as an influencer, you need to know the type of influencers. Before a company reach out to you, they will first of all go and check the numbers of followers you have. They will check the engagement. Are they organic or they are inorganic? So it is important to first of all know the type of influencers so that you know where you fall into. Number one, we have mega influencer. A mega influencer is that person that have up to 1 million and above followers. If you have 1 million and above followers in any of your social media platform, you are a mega influencer and company will start reaching out to you for collaboration. We have macro influencers. If you have above 500k to 1 million followers, you are a macro influencer. Company can as well reach out to you for collaboration, etc. We have micro influencer. Micro influencers are those people that have from 50k to 100k followers and above. You are a micro influencer. Company can as well reach out to you. Lastly, we have nano influencers. Nano influencers are people who have from 1k to 10k followers. If you have from 1k to 49k followers, 1k, 10k and above, up to 49k followers, you are a nano influencer. Companies may not really reach out to you if you have below 10k followers. They will tell you you are still growing because most of your engagement won't be very high. Company actually reach out to people who have high engagement. So you want to make money as an influencer in 2025, grow your account organically. I know how much I have made in terms of influencing brand. I have up to 1 million followers on my TikTok account, and I know what it has generated me as an influencer, influencing and collaborating with industries, collaborating with brands, and collaborating with individuals as well. So the purpose of creating videos is actually to drag and attract the attention of brand. But the only way you can do this is if you have good engagement and you have good followers. You need to grow your account so that you have good followers. If you want a video on how you can grow your account, check my video or look at this place here. You will see a video on how you can actually grow your account. Grow your account so that you can have good amount of followers and companies can start reaching out to you. If you have a TikTok account, there is nothing stopping you to having a Facebook account. There is nothing stopping you from having a YT account, an IG account. As an influencer, you need to have more than one account so that it will be of a good advantage for you. When a company reaches out to you, you tell them, okay, I have this account, I have this account. I have almost 1 million followers on TikTok. I have almost 12k subscribers on Telegram. I have WhatsApp channel. I have YouTube, 2 YouTube channels. So when a company reaches out to me and I tell them this, even if I tell them I'll be charging $15 for this very promotion, they will say, okay, wow, this person is really worth it because he has so amount of community. You can do this also. Trust me, in 2025, companies will be reaching out more to influencers than celebrities. In my next video, don't miss this very video, I'll be talking about why companies will be reaching out to influencers instead of celebrities. Don't miss out from that very video. So please, I'll beg you to smash the subscribe button, like this video, so that you don't miss out from my next video. So if you want to make money as an influencer, please grow your account first. There is money in influencing. Only when you are either a mega or a macro or a micro influencer. Nobody will contact you if you are a nano influencer. Is that okay? I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please like this video. Go to the comment section, drop a comment or ask your question. Share this video to people you think will benefit from this very video. I'll see you on my next video.